If all you can think about is cold mix or hot mix, this is definitely neither. Once this polymer sets up, it sets up hard. We're coming up on a patch that we did about 2 years ago. You'll see in a second here that it does something that no cold asphalt could do. That car just drove over it. See the way these trucks are going right over it? So we're just pulling up to where I can park to see the patch. It's we've actually used Easy Street with a nice thin taper to glue a sinking piece of concrete to a stable piece of concrete, not only to keep it from sinking, but also to smooth out the traffic. And the way that taper works, you can never do that with cold asphalt because it goes to such a thin edge. Let's take a look. So if you see this is a thin edge, no raveling whatsoever. That's a nice solid edge. This is glued to the back here. I can kick it and there's no raveling, no nothing, and it is solid. The most impressive thing about this is that it's still in place and it smooths out the traffic with a nice fine taper, and it is not sinking and it has a smooth course of travel, and that's been in there for 2 years. Try that with cold asphalt if it's not polymer modified.